How is it going, ladies and gents? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are diving deep into Bitcoin's mass adoption and its fascinating impact on the price. I'm your host Balint, and if you are as intrigued as I am about crypto, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and let's get started. First of all, let's understand mass adoption. In simple terms, it's a point at which a significant portion of the global population starts using Bitcoin for various purposes, such as transactions, investments, and store of value. To comprehend the impact of mass adoption, let's take a quick trip down the memory lane. Remember back in 2010, when a single Bitcoin was worth just a few cents. Fast forward to 2021 and we witnessed its meteoric rise to over 60,000 US dollars for only one Bitcoin. The journey was fueled by increasing interest from institutional investors, individuals, and even some governments. You can ask how mass adoption impacts the price. I'm gonna show you some interesting graphs about Bitcoin adoption, ranging from 2010 to 2023. The number of Bitcoin addresses that hold, for example, 0.01 BTC at least, are increasing year over year. Now we have over 12 million addresses that hold this amount of BTC. But if we talk about 0.1 BTC or addresses over 1 Bitcoin, you can see the same trend. These are facts, guys. It's on the blockchain, the data and everything. It's real data. Also, if we want to check address balances with greater than 0.1 Bitcoin, you can see that it's increasing. It's increasing at a very good rate. And also when the price dropped a little bit in last year, you can see that the number of BTC addresses over this amount increased as well. So when there was like a big hype and Bitcoin price was spiking, you can see that the number of addresses increased according to that. If we check 0.1, you can see the same trend, especially in the last couple of months and 1-2 years, that the adaptation started, guys, as you can see. And if we go on 1 BTC, you can see the same. But if we go, let's say, over 100 BTC addresses, we only have like 16,000 addresses with this. And as you can see, it's not increasing anymore because the adaptation, so people and Bitcoin spreads widely to different addresses, as you could see before, and it's limited up to 21 million supply. And according to this trend, it will be harder and harder to get, for example, 0.1 BTC or 1 BTC in the future. Make sure to get on the boat until you can. Mass adoption influences the price of Bitcoin. As more and more people use Bitcoin for everyday transactions, demand for it increases. This higher demand can lead to upward pressure on the price. The law of supply and demand comes into play. If demand surpasses the supply, the price tends to rise as well. Not to mention that network effect is a key factor in Bitcoin's price dynamics. As more people adopt Bitcoin, it becomes more valuable due to its increased scarcity. There will be only 21 million Bitcoins ever in existence. With increasing adoption, the price of Bitcoin as a store of value strengthens, attracting more investors who are looking for a hedge against traditional markets. Media coverage plays a crucial role in shaping public perception and sentiment around Bitcoin. Positive news about mass adoption, such as companies accepting Bitcoin as a payment, you probably heard about Tesla accepting Bitcoin as a payment before, can lead to increased interest and investment, driving the price higher. On the flip side, negative news can trigger price drops. Mass adoption also intersects with regulations. As governments establish clearer guidelines for cryptocurrency, businesses and individuals gain more confidence using BTC. Regulatory clarity can help adoption, leading a positive impact on the price. But there are challenges and big volatility. It's important to note while mass adoption can drive Bitcoin's price up, it can also lead to increased price volatility. Sudden surges in demand or regulatory uncertainties can cause rapid price fluctuations. This volatility can be both a boon and a challenge for investors. The impact of mass adoption isn't just a short-term phenomenon. While rapid price spikes might be exciting, the real value of mass adoption lies in long-term effects. A broader use base, increased user case, and a solidified role in the global finance landscape can provide sustainable support for Bitcoin's price over time. As we wrap up, it's clear that mass adoption has profound impact on Bitcoin's price. It's not just about the numbers on the screen, it's about the evolution of digital assets that has the potential to reshape our financial system. Whether you are a seasoned investor or new to crypto world, keeping an eye on mass adoption trends is crucial for understanding Bitcoin's journey. That's a wrap for today's video. If you found this content informative, don't forget to subscribe for more engaging discussions on all things crypto. Until next time.